Hi everyone and welcome back to a glorious day in Benidorm. Guess what temperature it is? It's a sweltering 35 degrees. God, that's hot, isn't it, guys? Quick tip as well, if you are out into sweater, stay hydrated, make sure you do eat something before you go out as well, because you can get heat stroke. I made that mistake the other day, trust me, it isn't nice, guys, so just drink plenty, eat something before you do go out, and just stay safe. Looks like the paraglider's out. Think the jet skis are out as well today. You go. Red eye. Jesus. Hotel Marconi there. Spanish hotel, I believe. Nice little bar there, guys. Not too sure what it's called there, actually. Comment down below if any of you know what this bar's called, because I honestly, for the hell of me, can't remember it. We are coming up on the very beautiful Hotel Villa Del Mar as well in a minute. And of course Jamie Avenue just up there as well. Where? Where's the letter? I think that bar's called. Where's the letter? RH Corona Del Mar there as well. Probably not the most popular hotel after everything we've been through recently. Shut it. I reckon you guys know what I mean, so I don't really have to go into too much detail there. Beautiful views out over the beach. God. I knew there was a reason I love Benidorm. Some nice little restaurants and bars over the road as well, guys. You alright there?
Right.
Oh, and of course, down them steps, I believe, is a new drag bar, I think, called El Tunnel.
Did you know that, Marcus?
because the name's on the sign.
That's what you would say.
Stop trying to irritate me. And of course, there's Hotel Villa Del Mar. Oh, Liverpool playing today or what? Tomorrow. Mañana. Just wondering, thought it quite weird that I've seen like tons of people in Liverpool shirts today. Absolutely gorgeous walk along Ponienete seafront. Always great fun. You can also come along here on your mobility scooter as well. Push bikes or e-scooters, however they do have to use the bike lane. But it is still a good little ride. I have no idea why I'm getting shouted at Spanish people today.
Blending in, lad.
Blending in? How? Green hair, purple shirt. I don't get it. I mean, I know my friend Gabby, who owns the beautiful new bar down in Rincon de Loix. She was saying I always look so colourful, which was quite nice of her. I do try to look colourful. I try to not stand out from the crowd, I guess. I think that's some lavender, is it?
Yep.
You sure? Yeah, lavender flowers as well, planted along the front. God. Think I'll end the video here, guys. So hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.